Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Robert in Illinois on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Robert got it all fixed up, all my Truckerized options on it, upgraded regulator, audio mods, etc, wideband transmit receive. We got your 10 kilohertz switch right here on the back, high cut filter as well. Robert, we took a moment and did a little skip talking on this thing last night on 27365 lower side band, just running the radio. Had some good QSOs with some guys down in Texas that run a net down there at night, so he got their approval. So let's just start with our power all the way down. 250 watt slug, got your 25 watts all the way down. Now we have full adjustability if you decide to run them all. 125 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 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 audio. Over 200 bird, 1000 watt slug in peak. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 audio. 600 watts PEP. All right, Robert, we're gonna get it up to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Come on,